Hello students, welcome to Standard 10th Geometry class. In today's class, we are going to learn MATLAB activity 3. Before this, we have already done 2 lab activities, which are those. In coordinate geometry, we have verified the distance formula by activity method. Then previously we have seen the verification of basic proportionality theorem, and now the third is verification of areas of similar triangle theorem by activity method, right? So let us see how to do this theorem. So for this, let us see the aim, objective, material required, procedure, all these things. So here is the objective: to verify the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides by performing an activity. So under the heading objective, you will write the statement of that theorem and say by performing an activity. Prerequisite knowledge means the previous knowledge, what knowledge you should have before doing this activity. So the first one is concept of parallel lines. This you know, and how to draw parallel lines, that also you know. And second, division of a line in a given ratio. In 9th standard, we have learned how to divide a line segment in given equal number of parts, that also you know. So this is your prerequisite knowledge, means previous knowledge. Now let us see the material required. So for this activity, we will need colored paper, geometry box, colored pens, a pair of scissors and glue. Now the procedure. Children, whichever points are written here, that you will write on the ruled side of your journal, and the diagrams which I am showing, that you have to cut on colored paper and stick on the blank side of your journal, right? So in procedure, first step is take a colored paper and cut a triangle with AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6 centimeter. That means you have to cut an equilateral triangle of length 6 centimeter. Not only one, you cut 4 such equilateral triangles of length 6 centimeter. Now let me tell you what you are going to do with those 4 equilateral triangles. Now first one, you take and mark points P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 on side AB. You name that equilateral triangle as ABC and you mark these 5 points at equal distance and take a distance of 1 centimeter each, right? Similarly, on the side AC, you draw again 5 points, name as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5 at a distance of 1 centimeter each. This will be your diagram 1, or not the diagram, your first cutout of the triangle. Understood? So what we have done? We have taken one that cutout of equilateral triangle, and after sticking on the blank paper or the blank side of your journal, you name it as ABC. On the side AB, you take 5 points P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 at a distance of 1 centimeter each. Similarly, on side AC, you take 5 points Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5, and that will be your diagram 1 on the blank page. Now on the second cutout, again you mark the points ABC, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5 and P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and join them horizontally with the help of colored pen. Okay, colored pen and scale. So, which is shown in the diagram. So, on your second cutout will look like this, right? Now, after this, you take third cutout and draw lines parallel to AC starting from P1. Okay, then second line from P2. So all these lines should be parallel to side AC. Similarly, on the fourth, then same things you have to repeat in the fourth one. Okay, again you write all 3 points P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, join them horizontally. Now this time you draw lines parallel to AB. So in this way you will divide the triangle in 36 smaller triangles and all are equilateral, and we know equilateral triangles are similar to each other. So that means our bigger equilateral triangle ABC we have divided into 36 smaller equilateral triangles. So understood? In this way all those 4 cutouts we have used. Now secondly, you take another color and this time you cut an equilateral triangle of length 3 centimeter and name it as triangle PQR. Right? So on the side PQ, you draw 2 points D1 and D2 again at a distance of 1 centimeter each, and on side PR you mark 2 points E1, E2 1 centimeter each and join them horizontally E1, D1, E2, D2. Okay, same steps we are repeating here. Similarly, now again in second cutout you draw lines parallel to PR and lines parallel to PQ. So thus triangle PQR is divided into 9 smaller and similar triangle. So this is that smaller triangle which is divided into 9 smaller and similar triangles which are equal in area. Now next step is observation. So see in the observation, point 1, area of triangle ABC. So our ABC is the bigger triangle which we have divided into 36 smaller triangles. So area of triangle ABC is nothing but area of 36 smaller triangles. Now area of triangle PQR is equal to area of 9 smaller triangles. Now if I take the ratio of their corresponding sides, PQ upon AB. So PQ is of length 3 centimeter, AB is of length 6 centimeter. So 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2. In the same way, the remaining 2 sides of 2 triangles, they are in the equal ratio, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Now fourth point, now take the area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC. Take the ratio of their areas. The area of triangle PQR is nothing but area of 9 smaller triangles divided by area of 36 smaller triangles. So 9 upon 36, on cancellation you will get 1 upon 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2 the whole square. So hence triangle PQR upon triangle ABC, this is 1 upon 2 the whole square, but 1 upon 2 is nothing but PQ upon AB. So that means PQ upon AB the whole square. So in this way we have proved that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Understood? So the proof is this activity is very interesting. So children, as I already told you that it's a proof, theoretical proof is not there in the syllabus. This year it is deleted, but we can prove this theorem very easily by this activity method, which is very interesting also. I hope you will find it very interesting while doing this. So do it neatly and stick all the triangles in the journal. So this is your lab activity 3. In the next session I will bring one more activity, so that will be the 4th one. So that's all for now. Take care. Bye.